What's up guys, Christian here and welcome to another super exciting video. Today we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and we're gonna drop test this phone from 1000 feet. This right here is Samsung's best phone. This is the most powerful phone in the market, but today we're gonna test the limits of the durability of this phone. And just to make it even more exciting, we're gonna compare it with the Nokia 3310. This is a living legend. This is the strongest phone ever made. And today we're gonna drop test both phones from 1000 feet. What's gonna happen? Which phone will do better? Let's find out. So this is a brand new Galaxy Note 10. We're gonna remove the plastic cover in the back. This feels so good. Okay, now we're gonna remove the film. It has a very tiny protective film here. Check this out. This is probably the most beautiful phone I've ever seen. The design is so neat. So it hurts to actually destroy this phone. And here we have the classic Nokia 3310. It's the best phone in my opinion. I would still use this phone as my normal daily driver. All right guys, so here we have both phones. This is the Galaxy Note 10 and the Nokia 3310. And we have a little helper here in the back and he's gonna help us shoot the video also.
Oh, that's a good shot.
All right, so we're gonna take off. We're gonna record the video in case the phone survives. If the phone survives, I will post this video on Instagram. Okay, can you hook it up? We have the whole crew and now we're about to take off. And here we have him, both phones hooked and ready to be dropped. Let's go up. Alright guys, so we're almost at 1000 feet. We're getting ready to drop the phone. By the way, we're doing a giveaway of a Samsung Galaxy Note 10. To enter the giveaway, follow me on Instagram and leave a comment on this photo. I'm gonna include all the details down below in the description, so good luck. Alright guys, get ready. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it drop. All right guys, it's coming. 3. Whoa, here we have them. Both phones. Apparently the Note 10 is still recording. Oh my God, the Samsung Galaxy is cracked from the back, as you can see here. And the Nokia 3310, it's in pieces. Well, I'm gonna get everything cleaned up and we're gonna see the final results. For now, I'm gonna land the drone. All right guys, so this is after the drop and I am amazed by the results of the drop test. As you can see here, we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. The phone took the hit on the bottom side, so that saved the phone. As you can see here, the screen is a little bit cracked. The back part, the glass is shattered. The front glass is also shattered, but the rest of the phone is intact. The phone still works. I can still use it as my daily driver. So compared to previous phones that we have tested before, this Samsung Galaxy Note 10 gets a durability test score of 9.0. And now we're gonna talk about the Nokia. The classic Nokia, this right here, this is a living legend, guys. The phone is still working. It's in pieces, so the bottom part is broken. You can see it's damaged here, but the phone still works. In fact, I'm gonna show you that the phone is indestructible and it's still working. So I am amazed, guys. I'm gonna show you. If you click on the ringtone section and you click on the Nokia sound, you can see that the phone still works. It rings, everything works perfectly. We have put this phone through many tests, drop tests, hammers, torches, and once we even tried killing it with a flamethrower and the phone won't die. No phone can compete with the classic Nokia 3310. So that's all for today, guys. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. All the details are in the description down below. My name is Christian. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.